Hello friends, I am looking for better area for eating grass.
Hello, I am very hungry, but there is no grass for eating.
Let's search the better place. I am going to search the new place.
This place is rich of grass. I am very happy for this place. This place is very beautiful.
There is other cows here.
How are you?
Can we eat grass here?
There is very good grass here.
Yes. Why not? You can eat together too. There is plenty here.
We are friends and will eat together. Now we will eat here every day.
Yum yum yum, let's play together.
I am very hungry. Let's find an animal so I can eat something good. There are 3 cows here. Let's get started.
There is a lion behind you.
Hit him.
I hit the lion and the lion ran away.
Ha ha ha, we had a lot of fun.
It hit very hard. These 3 are together, so I couldn't catch them. I shall have to find me another victim.
Yesterday was a lot of fun. I even beat the lion.
If I do not tell you, how will you drive away the tiger? Tell me.
Even if you don't tell me, I defeated the lion. I could defeat the lion alone.
Look, you can't beat lion alone. Together we have defeated the lion.
You keep your mouth shut.
You don't talk to me anymore.
I also have no interest in talking to you.
I am leaving here now.
Good thing I left them. We would have had a fight with them.
Both of them gave me a lot of trouble. I am very strong. Where did it come from? Now I won't leave it.
Now you are alone. I will eat you.
I beat you before. It wasn't fun.
Now you are alone. Now I will not leave you.
Our third friend was eaten by a tiger.
Is it true?
Yes, it is true, and now we should not stay away from each other.
Yes, you are right. Now we should not stay away from each other.
Truthfully, agreement is blessed, and if we continue to fight, the lion will continue to eat in the same way.
Bedtime.